Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, July 2nd, and we got a chock full of economic news releases to go over today because tomorrow the markets will be closed, so there will be no news tomorrow, and a lot of the news that were scheduled for tomorrow are posted with the Thursdays. So we'll start off the typical Thursday weekly jobless claims. So last week we had 271,000 people applying for unemployment. Forecast is supposed to be at 275, and it came a little higher than the forecast at 281,000. Non-farm payrolls. This is the ones that usually that the Bureau of Labor Statistics release on a Friday, but pushed up to today with the holiday this weekend, so they have tomorrow off. We had 254,000 people apply or had new jobs created back in May. There was a revision actually to April and May, and they were both reduced. So not good news there, where jobs were reduced. The numbers were reduced for April and May. Forecast was at 225 when we pretty much came in about forecast. So not too good a rosy number there in terms of job non-farm payrolls. We came in towards expectations, but when you factor in April and May being reduced, obviously that kind of is a different factor. Unemployment rate dropped. We went from 5.5 with a forecast of 5.4 all the way down to 5.3, and this is largely due to more people getting out of the job market. So not for the best of reasons here. Average hourly earnings not so good either. We had a 0.2% increase in May, and forecast is supposed to be another 0.2% increase for June, and we basically were at nil. So people didn't earn more money in the month of June. So obviously that's not too good. Factory orders again continued to worsen. We had back in April it's negative 0.4%. Forecast was supposed to be in that same range and actually doubled that to negative 1%. So factory had a sharper decline than they had anticipated. Right now, the stock market is actually down. Obviously, not the greatest news, and also coupled that with uncertainty of Greece. Now we got a long weekend here, so a lot of times, so we'll end the week on a down note in the stock market. So as a result, the bond market actually took off a little bit, got a bit of a rebound. So going a long weekend with all this uncertainty, especially the Greece situation, a lot of times they'll pull money out of the stock market where there's a little bit more volatility into something more safe like bonds. So we kind of we benefit from that, and which is more of a flight to what they call flight to safety here. So we got a little bit of improvement from in the interest rates compared to yesterday. So good news for us on that front. Okay, folks, I hope you guys have a great, safe weekend here, and we'll look forward to see you guys on Monday. Thanks so much for watching, and again, have a happy 4th of July. Take care.